Flax seeds are a small seed that may seem insignificant at a glance. However, these smooth, dark brown seeds are packed full of a wide variety of essential nutrients. They have been consumed for around 6,000 years, but have recently regained their popularity as a powerful superfood and rich fiber source. Flax seeds can improve digestion, skin health, lower cholesterol, reduce sugar cravings, balance hormones, fight cancer, promote weight loss and improve mental health. One high in fiber, but low in carbs. One of the most extraordinary benefits of flax seeds is that they contain high levels of mucilage, or gum content. Mucilage is a gel-forming fiber that is water-soluble and has incredible benefits on the intestinal tract. The mucilage can keep food in the stomach from emptying too quickly into the small intestine, which can increase nutrient absorption. Also, flax is extremely high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which can support colon detoxification, fat loss and reduce sugar cravings. A good target for fiber intake is 25 to 30 g day. To healthy skin and hair. The aliphates in flax seeds benefits the skin and hair by providing essential fats, as well as B vitamins, which can help reduce dryness and flakiness. It can also improve symptoms of acne, rosacea, and eczema. This also applies to eye health, as flax can reduce dry eye syndrome. Try adding 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to your smoothie or 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil to your daily routine for healthier hair, skin and nails. Flaxseed oil is another great option since it has an even higher concentration of healthy fats. You can take 1 to 2 tablespoons internally to hydrate skin and hair. It can also be mixed with essential oils and used as a natural skin moisturizer. 3. Weight loss. Since flax is full of healthy fats and fiber, it will help you feel satisfied longer, so you will eat fewer calories overall, which may lead to weight loss. Aliphates may also help reduce inflammation. This is important for weight loss in that an inflamed body will tend to hold on to excess weight. Add a couple of teaspoons of ground flaxseed to soups, salads, or smoothies as part of your weight loss plan. 4. Lower cholesterol. The Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that adding flax seeds into your diet can naturally reduce cholesterol levels. The soluble fiber content of flax seeds trap fat and cholesterol in the digestive system so that it is unable to be absorbed. Soluble fiber also traps bile, which is made from cholesterol in the gallbladder. The bile is then excreted through the digestive system, forcing the body to make more, using up excess cholesterol in the blood and lowering cholesterol overall. 5. Flax seeds are gluten-free. Using flax is a great way to naturally replace gluten-containing grains, which are inflammatory, with an anti-inflammatory choice. So, flax seeds are great for those who have celiac disease or have a gluten sensitivity. Flax seeds can also be used as a grain-free option for those who follow a paleo-type diet. It can be used in baking along with coconut or almond flour. 6. Flax seeds are high in antioxidants, lignans. Amongst its other incredible nutrition benefits, flax seeds are also packed with antioxidants. Lignans are unique fiber-related polyphenols that have antioxidant, cell-protecting benefits. Lignans help reduce signs of aging and balance hormones. Polyphenols also support the growth of probiotics in the gut, which helps improve digestions and gut health, keep the body's detoxification system running smoothly, strengthen the immune system, 70-80% of which is in the gut, and other benefits. Lignans are also known for their antiviral and antibacterial properties. Therefore, consuming flax regularly may help reduce the number or severity of colds and flus. 7. Digestive health. One of the major benefits of flaxseed is that it aids in digestion. Its high fiber content helps keep matter moving smoothly through your intestinal tract. The ala in flax can help protect the lining of the digestive tract and maintain GI health. It has been shown to be beneficial for people suffering from Crohn's disease or other digestive ailments, as it can help reduce gut inflammation. Flax is not only very high in soluble and insoluble fiber, but is a great source of magnesium, which among many functions, helps keep your intestinal tract moving smoothly. 2 tablespoons of flax seeds contains about 5 grams of fiber, or 1/5 of the RDA. The fiber found in flax seeds provides food for friendly bacteria in your colon that can help cleanse waste from your system. 8 flax seeds for cancer. Flax seeds have been found to be beneficial in fighting breast, prostate, ovarian and colon cancer. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Cancer Research discovered that consuming flax seeds might decrease the risk of breast cancer. The 3 lignans found in flax seeds can be converted by intestinal bacteria into enterolactone and enterodiol to naturally balance hormones, which may be the reason flax seeds reduce the risk of breast cancer. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that the lignans in flax seeds may also reduce the risk of endometrial and ovarian cancer. 9 high in omega-3 fatty acids. We hear a lot about the health benefits of fish oil or omega-3 fats, especially relating to their role in reducing depression and improving our mental health. Fish oil contains EPA and DHA, 2 omega-3 fats that are critical for optimal health. 10 makes breasts bigger. Since flaxseed has been around for so long, of course there are some benefits associated with it, like donkey. The seeds contain a plant estrogen known as phytoestrogen, or dietary estrogen. This means it's estrogen that's not produced in the body, but you can still safely consume it with no problem. The similarities between estrogen and phytoestrogen mean you reap the same benefits, including increasing breast tissue growth. This is how you grow larger breasts. How to use flax seeds. Baking is an easy way to add more flaxseed into your diet. You may wonder if baking has any effect on omega-3 fatty acids. According to studies, you can bake flax seeds at 300 F for 3 hours and the omega-3s, ALA, in flax seeds remain stable. Tips for including flaxseed in your diet include: add 1 to 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to morning smoothie. Mix a tablespoon in with yogurt and raw honey. Bake ground flax seeds into muffins, cookies and breads. Add to homemade sprouted granola. Can be mixed with water and used as an egg substitute. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.